Welcome to this tutorial on setting up your digital store with Systeme.io. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to create and customize your store to start selling digital products effortlessly. Let's dive in. To get started, we first need to create a Systeme.io account. It's free and easy. Simply go to the Systeme.io website and enter your email address to sign up. Once you've submitted your email, check your inbox for a verification email to validate your registration. If you already have an account, just log in and skip ahead to the next step. Now let's create your digital store. Navigate to the Websites tab on your dashboard, then click on Digital Stores. A form titled Create Store will appear. Here, you'll enter some details about your store. First, choose a short and memorable store name. Systeme.io will give you a default domain, but you can link your own later if you wish. Next, click on the URL path field to automatically generate a path based on your store name. Lastly, select the language for your store. When you've filled everything in, click Save. Don't forget to set your currency by going to Settings in the top right corner and hitting Save again. Next, it's time to edit your digital store. From now on, any changes you make will show in the preview frame on the left side. Click on Edit Store in the top right corner. Here, upload an image that reflects your brand. Fill in your store display name and a brief bio about your store. Add your social media links to enhance visibility. Once you're finished, click Save. To see how your store looks, click View and check it out in a new tab. Remember, always hit Save after making changes to prevent losing anything. Now it's time to add your first product. Click the Add New Product button in the center of your dashboard. Choose Sell a Digital Download. The product creation process involves 4 stages: thumbnail, checkout page, digital download, and thank you page. For the thumbnail, select an image related to your product, like a calendar for a planner template. Then fill in the product name, e.g., Daily Planner Template, and the subtitle. Once you're done, click Save as Draft. Next, head over to the Checkout tab. Here, upload a landscape image for your product. In the Add Text field, create a compelling call to action, like get your hands on the Daily Planner Template now. Keep the Buy button text as Buy Now. Provide helpful details about your product in the description, such as file types and what customers can expect. Decide what information you want to collect from customers, like their first name and email address. This is crucial for building your email list. Now let's set the price plan. Enter a reasonable price, select supported payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal, and set the price plan type to one-time payment. Click Create New One. Fill in the price plan name and a statement description for bank records. Finally, enter the payment amount and select the payment methods. Pro tip: make your product descriptions clear and engaging to encourage purchases. Now let's move on to the digital upload. Fill in the digital product name field with something like Daily Planner Template. Click to upload your digital product, for example, a PDF. Next, click Edit Confirmation Email. Add your product name in the subject field and modify the email body if necessary. Just keep the downloadable file links text unchanged. Then hit Save and Save Draft. We're almost finished. For the thank you page, you can leave the fields as they are and click Save Draft. To publish your digital product, click on the 3 dots next to your product or access it again to make final touches. Then hit Publish. If any errors pop up, these will usually be related to payment methods, so make sure to address them first. After fixing any issues, click Publish. Congratulations, you've just published your first digital product for free. Next, let's add some organization to your store. Click Add Section in the center of your digital store. Give your new section a name and hit Save. You can create multiple sections to help customers easily navigate and find products. Simply drag your products into the appropriate categories you create. Finally, let's personalize your digital store. Go to the top right and click Edit Store. Choose a theme that resonates with your brand and adjust the color palette to fit your design. Don't forget to hit Save when you're done. Once you've made your edits, click Preview to see how your digital store looks before making it live. By following these steps, you can easily set up and launch your Systeme.io digital store, making it simple for you to start selling your digital products.